Here is the DIM 455 milligram plus for her. This is from PhytoChoice, and they sent it to me so I could try it out. The suggested serving size is 1 capsule, and there's 60 in here. It contains DIM 350 milligrams, broccoli extract 100 milligrams, BioPerine 5 milligrams. And in parentheses under the BioPerine, it says black pepper extract, piper nigrum, and fruit. It says made in the USA, FDA registered facility, distributed by Premium Formulations in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. The suggested use is take 1 capsule twice a day. For best results, take 20 to 30 minutes before a meal with 8 ounces of water, or as suggested by your provider. Okay, let's give it a sniff. It doesn't smell like nothing crazy, but there is like a little scent, but it's nothing crazy at all. They're clear capsules, pretty average size. So that's the color of the powder in there since they're clear. I think maybe I'm smelling the broccoli, but again, it's not a bad smell. But so obviously supplements work differently for everyone, but I'm excited to try this because I'm definitely at the age for it. I'm in perimenopause, and I've read that this can help, that DIM can help. And I like the blend of ingredients in this. I like everything it has. I like everything it doesn't have. And I have used their products before. So this is a brand that I like, and I'm excited to work this into my routine.